What is your opinion of Rheem versus Coleman furnaces?
Rheem costs more, but it is a better deal.
I think it costs up to twice as much.
If you get the more expensive, and more efficient, Prestige line, yes. If you get the Classic or Value line by Rheem, the unit costs perhaps 20 to 30% more.
That's still a major hit to the bottom line.
The only reason you have a Coleman furnace in the first place is because the home builder installed the cheapest furnace he could get that was not a Goodman. Because everyone knows how bad it is.
Why should I get the more expensive furnace? There isn't that much difference between them.
There's a major difference in the number of nights you'll wake up in the cold, lonely dark. Coleman furnaces are more likely to go out.
Their parts do not cost as much.
You'll have more repair costs over the mid-term, and you'll have to replace the whole furnace in the longer term sooner than if you had a Rheem. And Coleman's efficiency is horrible.
Aside from the days it is not working.
Rheem's furnaces range from 80% efficiency to 97%, whereas most Coleman units barely do better than a legal minimum of 80% AFUE.
Coleman is made by Johnson Controls, one of the major electronics companies.
American Standard is made by Train, and that did not keep the American Standard furnaces from literally falling apart.
Coleman makes a great comfort tier furnace.
I think you're just in love with the name. Like the people who get Whirlpool Gold appliances to feel like they got the best, when Whirlpool's non-gold appliances do better in Consumer Reports reviews.
How would you rate Coleman's warranty?
Coleman's warranty is limited to parts, not including to service or even some of the most frequent repairs. If you do not register the unit within 90 days, the warranty is cut in half of the already limited term.
Fine, I'll get Rheem.